So what should we do today, Tyra?
Today's St. George's Day, right?
Yes. So we should make
a dragon.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hi guys!
Today we're going to teach you how to make an articulated dragon puppet. So there are two options. You can either draw your own dragon and colour it in yourself, or you can print out your own dragon online like we did. I will leave the link for you down below if you want to do the same one as us. You will need a pair of scissors,
a glue stick,
and some sticks. First you're going to have to cut this template. Now we've finished cutting the template out. Now we're going to glue these parts together. If you have the same one as us, you would see a dotted line here. Fold it like this. Once you finish folding, you're going to stick the back part here, but don't stick this fold. It will turn out like this from the front and the back. Make sure not to glue the fold here or here. Just glue this part. So after you finish that, now you have to take two strips, glue the corners together, just right at the end here. Glue them. And then fold across and down. So once you've finished folding the first two strips, you have to glue them in the sides here and stick the other two strips onto them. So once you have finished gluing, continue folding like the previous step. So once you finish folding the strips together, it should become springy like this. Then now we're going to glue this part to here, where it has these folds. So once you've glued the head and tail to the spring paper,
it will become like this. It's really cool, right, Tyra?
It's amazing, Dean.
Now let's add the wings.
Glue these wings to the front part of the body. For For the final step, tape these sticks to the dragon's body.
Wow, who are you? Who are you? I'm a dragon. I am too. Wow. Ah! Ah! Fire! I'll rule the world.
Hey, are you the dragon I've been looking for?
Yeah. Wow.
I'm Sir George the Knight, and I will kill you!
Wow.
Ah! Yeah! I'm Sir George who has slain the dragon! Yeah! So guys, thanks for watching,
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
and please subscribe for more fun videos.
Happy St. George's Day.